In this video, we will show how you activate and set up the duplication detection. To set up the duplication detection, go to Settings, Document Types, and here choose, for example, Invoices, and go to the Settings icon. Here you will see the Duplication Invoice Detection. Activate it with the toggle and choose the field that you want to check for duplications. When you now go back to the dashboard, you will see this duplication icons on the right that link you to the duplication. If you click on one of these duplication icons, DocBits will open a window where you can see and manage every duplicate of the document you choose. You can repeat this procedure with every type of document. If you have further questions, feel free to check our YouTube channel or reach out to us directly via our support team.